The order of operations trap. 90% fail this simple math viral riddle. Can you solve it? Intro, the challenge. Think you're a math whiz? Well, viral math problems like these looks incredibly simple, but they trick thousands of people on social media every single day. Take a look at these two expressions. What answers do you get? Pause the video right now, drop your guesses in the comments, and let's see if you belong to the minority that actually gets it right. Let's break down the first expression step by step. 11 plus 1 multiplied by 11 minus 1. To solve this correctly without falling into a trap, we have to use the fundamental rules of mathematics, BEDMAS, which stands for brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Looking at our equation, we don't have any brackets, we don't have exponents, and there is no division. Section 2, the first step, multiplication. That means our very first priority, the number 1 step, is multiplication. We must isolate and solve 1 times 11 first. Of course, 1 multiplied by any number stays the same, so 1 by 11 gives us 11. Let's rewrite our new, simplified equation. It becomes 11 plus 11 minus 1. Section 3, solving left to right and final answer. Now we are left with addition and subtraction. A common mistake is thinking addition always comes before subtraction. But in reality, addition and subtraction share the same priority. When you have operators of the same rank, you simply calculate from left to right. Moving left to right, first, we do 11 plus 11, which gives us 22. Finally, we subtract the remaining 1. 22 minus 1 gives us 21. Did you get that first one right? Section 4, setting up problem number 2. Now, let's look at the second variation, which flips the signs. 11 minus 1 multiplied by 11 plus 1. It looks almost identical, but switching the position of the plus and minus completely changes the game. Let's bring back our trusty BEDMAS rules. Section 5, step 1 for problem number 2. Just like before, we search for brackets, exponents, and division, none to be found. So, our first mandatory step is the multiplication in the middle, 1 times 11. That equals 11. When we carry down the rest of the numbers and signs carefully, our new rewritten expression is 11 minus 11 plus 1. Section 6, avoiding the ultimate trap and conclusion. Here's where most people fail. If you blindly follow the before S in the acronym and do 11 plus 1 first, you will get the wrong answer. Remember, subtraction and addition have equal weight, so we must calculate from left to right. Starting from the left, 11 minus 11 equals 0. Then, we simply add the final one. 0 plus 1 gives us a grand total of 1. So there you have it, the first expression equals 21, and the second one equals 1. Did you manage to get both right? If you enjoyed this quick brain workout, smash that like button, subscribe for more math riddles, and share this with a friend to test their skills. See you in the next video.